Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will talk about how to get rid of blank issue from date difference function. So while doing project we face lot of uh, difficulties on this matter. Okay, so here you can see this is my table. Okay, this is my table order calculation. Okay, here you can see order date and delivery date, and okay, there is order date and delivery date. So I want to see how much date difference between two dates. Okay, how much date difference between order date and delivery date for each row. So what I have done, so I created a function that is date difference. So here you can see date difference, then datediff, and what datediff is doing, first it is taking order date, okay, then delivery date, and what is the interval will be day by day. Okay, so it is what it is showing, it is calculating the difference between order date and delivery date, and the result is coming as day, how much day difference is there. Okay, but when I create this, it is a I created calculated column. Okay, when I created a column, it is showing date difference of, here you can see 16, 15, 46 days, 51 days, but here you can see for this one, this is January 2022, but here delivery date is none, delivery date is blank, so the date difference is coming as blank. Here also it is coming blank, 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 like this. Okay, because there is no date difference. Now I want to see if date difference is less than or equals to 10. If date difference is less than or equals to 10, then put early, other else put late. Okay, I want this condition. So how to write that? I have created, here you can see, not this one, here you can see, if order calculation date difference, I have created date difference function, date difference column. If date difference is greater than equals to 10, then put late, unless put early. If date difference is greater than equals to 10 days, then put late, unless put early. So this tax calculation is giving us this one, late. Here you can see 16, 15 all are greater than 10, that's why it is showing late. But here you can see on this column date difference is none, date difference is blank, but it is coming as early. Here also date difference is blank, but it is coming as early. So how to fix this bug? Let's see. So what I have done, I modified this one, I modified this DAX calculated column. Here you can see, I have named as date difference 1, then I have created a variable a. If this condition happens, then return again if order calculation date difference equals to blank. Here you can see date difference is blank. When date difference will be blank, put blank. When the date difference is blank, put blank, unless this condition var a, unless this condition will work, unless a. Okay, if date difference is blank, put blank, unless run this condition, a condition. When I run this, here you can see the bug is fixed. Here you can see when it is no there is blank as date difference, it is coming as blank. Here you can see when it is date difference is blank, then it is coming as blank. Previously it was coming was early. So this is how we fix bugs in real life projects. Okay, so I think this video was informative. If you like my videos, please like it, share my channel, subscribe my channel, and support to my channel, share it among your friends. Thank you guys, thank you.